everyone, let's start creating our presentation. Let's take a look. You see, it's kind of nice and I hope you like it, but I'm going to make it look better and change something in that. Okay, let's start with new slide. We format the background, the color we want. For example, we can choose anything we want, but it's better to like this, and then apply it to all. And here you need this text, but you see this text is not something that you think about. So how we have the text, this text to look like this, you see how we have this text. This is just a matter of the time to understand you, but I'm going to show you the trick. You need to create a text box, and in that write Albert, for example, because our subject is Albert Einstein. And then let's change the font to impact, increase the size. Okay, it's enough. No, I think it's bigger. It can be bigger. No, it's not big. Okay, here is good. And make it here. Now, create a copy of that, an exact copy of that, with a little change. You format this thing and then go to format. Let me find it. Format shape. And this text, no field, text outline, solid field, and make it white. And also increase the size so it be visible. Okay, this much is enough. Then put it in it. Okay, now before that you need to do something. Hold shift, copy this picture, paste it here. Now bring this to front and hold shift to bring this to the up. And now you select both these things and bring them a little down, a little here. Okay, it's good. Now we need this Einstein. This is just a text, nothing special. Then copy that, apply the background to all. Then here just bring the Einstein out and set the transition to morph. And also it's better with the Einstein coming in here, a picture also come in to change the background. Send it to back, and it's going to have a solid fill, a little, okay, a little more livelier. I think this color is going to be good, but with the okay, I think then make it white. No, let's make it blue and shape outline to none. Then copy that, send to back, send to back, then bring it here. Now set the transition to morph and let's take a look. The slide is as pretty as possible. I hope you like it. If you like it, tell me in the comments. Have a nice time.